In this video, I'm going to show you how to set time on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung phone and the time is not set to automatic, you can easily change or set this time manually. To do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General Management. Under General Management, click on Date and Time. And here, first, you need to disable Automatic Date and Time to be able to have option to set the time manually. Then click on Set Time. Here, you should see the timer come up. Then select the time you want to set to. Let's say you want to set the time to maybe 10 or 11, 13 a.m. or p.m. So this is p.m., this is a.m., this is minutes, and this is hour. So select that and then click on the number button. Once you hit the number button, you should see the time set to this here. And then that is it. Disable automatic time zone. If you want to disable this, so you can also enable this or disable the time zone. If you enable automatic time zone, your Samsung Galaxy phone will use the time zone provided by your network to set the time zone. And then you say the new time is set to 8:14 p.m. and here you can see we already have 8:14 p.m. But if we choose the automatic time date here, then the time should be 9:43. So this is how to set time on Galaxy phone. If this is helpful, if you want to do that button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.